Hello, fellow listeners. Today we're going to read Bluey Sleepytime. It's sleepy time at the Healer house. Bingo is on a second book with Mum, while Bluey is already fast asleep. Now it's time for lights out. Bingo wants to do a big girl sleep and wake up in her own bed. Sweet dreams, Mum said. Remember, I'm always here if you need me. Bingo holds Floppy close and drifts up to sleep. She begins to dream. Chick, chick. Mustn't forget Floppy. Bingo sees a big, warm, glowing light. They head towards it. On the way, they pass another planet. Somebody else has already hatched from this one. I wonder who? Bluey, can I have some water? Bingo and Floppy head off deeper into space. Ooh, a planet. This one looks cozy. It is cozy. Poop. Bingo and Floppy feel like they're rolling up and down big blue space mountains. It's a lot of fun. Then they found another planet, the biggest one yet. This one is a lot of fun to jump on. So much fun that Bluey joins in. Not much fun for Dad though. Dad, can you sing to me? 99 bottles of thing on the wall. 99 bottles of thing. They all end up back in Mum and Dad's room. The blanket slips off. Bingo and Floppy are left shivering in the cold. Bingo spots the warm, glowing light again. On their way towards the light, they pass another planet. This one has something spinning around it. It's Floppy's friends. Floppy wants to join them. Bingo lets Floppy go. Wait, what's this? Something's heading towards Bingo. It's so warm. But Bingo remembers that she wants to do a big girl sleep and wake up in her own bed. Bingo stands up. I have to go. I'm a big girl now. Remember, I'll always be here for you, even if you can't see me, because I love you. Bingo floats back to where she began, but she can't fit all the pieces together. Hooray! Here comes Floppy with her friends to help. Night, night, Bingo. Night, Floppy. Thanks for everything. The Healer house is still and quiet again. Bingo sleeps peacefully. Dad and Bluey sleep peacefully. Mum does too. The sun begins to rise. Its rays warm Bingo, asleep in her own bed. Thanks for listening to us read Sleepytime. Hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.